What's up, gang? What's up, gang? What's up, gang? Third part of my little snowstorm of 2021 on Thursday, February, I think 15th. '15th or 16th, I think. Somewhere like that. I ain't been keeping up with the days. But shit, I want y'all to see what it look like out here now. This is what it look like at night. It finally just stopped snowing. We got somebody down there shoveling the snow downstairs. And shit. Not my building, but the building next door. You can see, I'm gonna go to the other window. Hold on, gang. Hold on. You can see, look how deep the snow is. Just look down the block. That snow deep. But it ain't really deep. That don't even look like this. It only look like this maybe like, probably just 5 inches. That's all it look like. It's about 5. That's all it look like. It's about 5 inches. But y'all see the snow? Like, damn. This shit came on down. Snow did its thing today. It in cameth and it in wenteth. So, hey. Salt trucks, I hope they out here. But shit, gang, I'm like, man, I'm just come back and shoot y'all with another video. Show y'all, shit, I see the salt truck. You see that light over there flashing? I'm gonna go back to this window. Y'all will see it. Look in the background, you'll see the light. It might be a block over, but y'all caught it in the background. Whatever, see in the background, I'm gonna see if I can point to it, but it's dark. I'm gonna cover it. Well, no, I ain't gonna do that. But y'all can see, it done came down. Y'all see it out there. Young lady out there getting her snow up. Hey, you do what you gotta do. Yeah, y'all see it. Snow done came. Like I say, that ain't even, yeah, that's probably about 4 inches. Probably about 4 inches of snow. It didn't come down the way they was talking about. Oh, but I see it's still snowing. If you look in the background real close, I can see my street light. I still see snow falling, so it's out here. So I guess maybe it's not done snowing yet. It's just gonna keep going, and that's probably it. But she getting that snow, ain't she? All right now, but yeah, gang, I just wanted to bring y'all another video, show y'all what it look like. Show y'all what it look like outside. But y'all see the snow, y'all see the street. Y'all see how it is. And like I say, it didn't stop. It's still snowing, but it's light snow. It's like little snow, small snowflakes. So, shit, it's still. Motherfucker went through the stop sign. It's still coming down. So, hold on, y'all. I'm going back to this other window. Just bear with me. But y'all can see this window. Like I say, you can see the footprints this way. See how they look? But it's not real deep. Not real deep out there. But shit, it's enough to shovel. And you only, well, shit, maybe you have to shovel at 9 and probably come back and hit it in the morning, because I'm still, like I say, I'm still looking at partial snowflakes going through the street lights, flying past the street lights. So it's really not really done. So it's still kind of snowing. And I'm looking at it now, it's picking up again. The snowflakes picking up, because it did say snow all the way till in the morning. So, hey, this is my view from the window. Yeah. Y'all see it. This is the big window, gang. I'm gonna give y'all the big window action. This real. Y'all see it. It's big window action now. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get y'all back to this window. Hold on, gang. Yeah, I know it got kind of dark for a minute. I hope wasn't nobody scared to be in the dark for a moment. But yeah, y'all see it. And the snow still coming down out here. But what can you say? You have to just take it and enjoy it. Take it and enjoy it. So, all right, gang. Let this one ride out. I ain't coming back with another one. So, I see y'all in the morning. I'll be hitting y'all probably with some music or something tonight. And I'll be back with another video tomorrow. About to go on back in here and enjoy the rest of my day watching me some movies on Tubi. And shit. And that's what it is. So, with that being said, peace out, gang. Yeah.